Hello. This is a short video about how to use templates in EKG. If you don't know what EKG is, I have many videos on them, but the short version is it's a note-taking application for Emacs, and that is based in a file system. It works a little bit different than other note-taking systems. And what another example of working a little bit differently is how it implements templates, which is very sort of EKG-like. I'll kind of show you what I mean. So we have here our database. I used the same one for the demonstration before. Let's create a new note. So just type C in this, C here to create a new note. And we're going to delete this for reasons I'll explain in a second. And let's make a daily reflection template. So we're going to call this a template tag. So template is the special tag name that has special meanings and works in a special way. Of course, it's Emacs, you could change what the special tag that you want to work in this way is, but by default, it's called template. And anything I write, any other tags that this note is going to be co-tagged with will be where this shows up with what tags. All the templates show up when you complete tags. So the question is, what tags do I want this template to be for? Let's say daily reflection. Okay, so now I don't have a tag like that before, but let's say this is a new tag, and we're going to say this is org mode. What could you have done better today? Kind of negative though, so let's have another one. What did you do particularly well today? Okay, and that's it. Okay, so now you can see this shows up as a latest capture notes. It's just a normal note. Now let's try it out. Oh, the question is why? So you'll see that if I had kept this date here, when I create a new note with this date, it just happens to be the same date I created the template, it would have also been, it'd be a co-tag of the template, and therefore would have completed the template, which is not really what we want. We don't want the template to be just for this date. Or sorry, not just for this date, but also on this date. It just doesn't make sense. It might make sense if you're not going to use the template that particular day, but in this case, we are, so it doesn't really make sense to have the template, especially for this demonstration. So so now I could say daily reflection, and look, it just shows up. And if I had, I could have other templates with daily reflection, and they would just be appended. So you could just have as many templates as you want. The templates are just going to add text, okay? So I could fill this out. I have my daily reflection. Great. And that's really all there is to it. That is how templates work. So I hope this demonstrates how we do things. As you see, it's relatively simple. You just co-tag with template, and you could have as many co-tags as you want. And whatever that note is, we just look for like template and the tag that you just completed. You have to complete the tag or else it's not going to detect it at the moment. And it will just load those notes that have those two tags, template and the tag you just completed, and put that content into your buffer. Pretty simple. So I hope you enjoyed today's short. And I hope you can use templates and enjoy using them. I will put a link to the project below. If you have any questions, please feel free to start a discussion on GitHub. Thank you.